Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat and it can't see. But on the screen, one bagger mix up my people. Me nah gonna tell you no lie. When I posted the video with Jaden and Wasp on my IG yesterday, I said, new series kick off, Missy Ma said, not knowing that it was a real thing. You know what I mean? I only to come find out, no, Dyema is disrespecting Wasp. For what reasons, I don't know. Because Wasp is like problematic, or whatever the word is. It's I say. And that's what Ivany is saying. You know what I mean? Diamond must have reposted one video of somebody disrespecting Wasp. And if you repost that on your page, they're dissing Wasp. I think they're trying to say, Wasp is trying to clout chase off of, the series thing. A lot of people is saying, the Fantastic Four don't own the apps, and they wasn't the first one to do the series. One bagger and one. So let's hear what Diamond has to say about the situation. Then Jaden, then Ivani, you see me. So that's like a sharing video from now. And at the end, we'll tell you what I go on for them to go on with what man say, you see me.
Not glad that judgment for me over here.
So why you never did for repost it? Who is the man?
In a look so.
So who are the man?
The man right, say man. The man says something and me go repost it and comment fire. Me pussy clat. That's on judgment. Me I get trouble. Like me can't repost. Me can't repost and comment fire again. Me don't do nothing. Me just repost.
Me ask the comment section. Comment section, what you do?
I don't do nothing more than me repost and comment fire. I don't do shit.
Tell me what you do.
Yeah, so me go for everything what me do.
Yeah, hear if them I go try to tell lie for you.
You talk believe for me now. Me don't do nothing more than repost. Not a thing.
Hear who then say Wakos?
Yeah, me just repost something.
Listen to me now. I'm going to tell you one thing. Some man over here, bro, them do anything for clout, brother. We not business who want chat or who want say, brother. Some man in their own league. We not compete with no man. Some man in their own league, brother. You understand? We not look no trouble with no man, bro.
Me just repost.
How
much time I see people like how much time I see people like this? I'm see my.
Yeah, me slowly I get to 80 all of them over here saying. I said everything them watch them mix up. I said they mix up enough and everything in a one. Me slowly I get for 80 all of them over here.
I never know so me can't repost again a backside wall.
But they wanna get up and I go on a self problem. I done so me say a Rosealee Dyema me stand for him.
And say I don't do nothing. I don't do nothing more than me just repost.
Yeah man, me see phone.
Me I go say the video. I me just repost and I do shit. Not a thing me not do. Me I go call me.
Dyema, how do you say I deal with man like I had the security for Rose last night?
Here ya.
River?
You don't want nobody have video in the face now. You don't want to video in the face now. That's my friend.
Yeah.
And now let's take a listen to what Jaden has to say about this whole ordeal. Because, I'm for defending woman,
Yo, me not go listen, Me not go disrespect you, Dyema. Me not go disrespect you, darling. You see it? Because you're somebody who me rate, You see me I say? You're somebody who me rate. But that move there, me not like that move there. I tell you straight. Me not like that move there, Dyema. I tell you the honest truth. You see it? Me not go this or and talk about no senior citizen, bro. Me not go this or that. Because being whatever age Dyema be is a blessing. You see it? Me not go this or, bro. You see me I say? Cause if me this or, bro, it will go just look the same. You see it? So you don't make no sense. Me not this or, bro. You see it? Yes, you comment on the video, bro. It good, bro. You see it? But now, me I tell you, now I get a respond for what I tell you, now I get it, bro. What's not trouble on the youth? What's not trouble you? What's not soon, dog? You see it? Chat, don't give me no art me there, guys. What's not trouble in a youth? You know, just love the girl, bro. Gene, big up. Give me no at me, guys. What's humble, bro? A girl humble your fuck, dog, I swear, bro. Let's see if What's did come over here, so, bro, and I disrespect people and them things that, bro, would I say, alright, them have a right for this, or you see it. But, you don't have no right for have this the girl, bro. Master, big up. You know, tell me about why you not help promote, why you not help promote the girl business, why you not help promote whatever business, bro, or whatever. But you know, plan up together for do go in a series for bomb buckler. Bro, come on now, man. What kind of plan up thing in our talk about, bro? Me tell you some me what's I got to series, bro. I've never come on here and say, yo, me and I would, and us, bro, me not do things so neither, bro. You see it? Me not do things so, bro. Me rather come on here, so, bro, and take whole heap of disrespect more than if I go there now and space with somebody who me not like or love just for money, dog. Me not thanks for you. I tell you that, bro. Rather come on here, so, bro, and take whole heap of disrespect pan. Yes, sir. Because me know so when the life done, I eat that for me, bro. Me now see them people here, bro. But if you go say me I go move in with somebody, bro. If you say me I move in with somebody, bro, and I live with people what me no want to live with for true, I mean I like them for true. It's like we not force on each other for like on each other, bro. Me not do them thing the father. Me not do serious, bro. Me have to fuck you.
Yes, put in the comment section if you agree with what Jaden had to say. And you know, Ivany knows the whole of them people, you know. And you know, she's not good with Rose. You see my sense, she used to there with figure it out and all of this stuff. So let's hear what she has to say about this whole ordeal, and then I'll tell you what I'm saying at the end.
Why Dyema feel like she need to start problem with the girl? Why I feel like I need to start problem with the girl? The girl, she's that much of a threat. She don't even there 90 days and she's that much of a threat. What's look like if you blow her, she drop off, she fly gone to oh she's slim and can't do nothing. And I look as slim as somebody wanna call transmission and we look skinny, tough and ugly. I say them something there. That girl is a threat to Uno, see. The girl not trouble nobody. Why not trouble them? Why? And I'm gonna tell you something. Someone might not know this. Bro, you see before the world taking a page thing with me and Wasp did close, you know. You hear the people them say a friend me I look, but I pity them, you know. Who know? You see before all of this drama, I'm gonna tell you something. It was me, Wasp, Enhance, and Akeem. 4 hours in a out of 1 spoon. 4 hours in a 1 bed I do any park. 4 hours in a Wasp Benz up and down. 4 hours got Enhance I'll go pick him up when Sheba and him in a things. 4 hours when time me Enhance a fight and Wasp them have to come party. 4 hours when I was birthday and me was me Akeem and Enhance for the road for God. 4 hours I plan up for it was 4 hours did close. Them time that me and figure it out. I feel look a thing from years ago whenever did when I talk. So me know what's like that, and she's always been that person from them the time that she till now. She not bully people, she not trouble people. If you fuck around her, and she not mix up. It's like how me mix up, and me and everybody might meet, that girl might not meet with people. Hey girl, you only did come crash out because me did take her page. So why you feeling need? Mr. Say back, I haven't seen you in a while. So why you feel the need for your trouble, girl? Make a girl come fuck up her own herself and that you don't want and that you don't not go get. Cause she not stay so. Mr. Say back, how are you? I haven't seen you on live. Oh, thank you, my love. She not stay so. And I know for no go on jar and a mix up, but you know I get it kind of care or you rub her in night. She now, that girl have so much story she can't come tell, but she not do the drama. If Akeem speak pan her, she go come speak, and Akeem now go speak pan her. Two of them put together and them not stay so. Leave a girl alone, make a girl come over here, come do what she do. Everybody, and that with Jamaican people, you know, go on like a unu alone for eat blood clot food. You know, some dirty drunker, you know, so good girl. You go on like a unu alone for near my plate. You know, the series and somebody want to start a series. A lot of people at the end of the series. It up big for everybody. You realize when people join people live, I be a different DP, you see? From different groups. Team Bless, Sensation, I should know some of them. And different names. Rosealee people them, Akeem people them. Everybody have them own a people, them own a team, with them own a DP. There's no way my sensation I show me and the boss come send you a lion. And forget about me. He more for come support you. So when I see people come and want to start for them look a series, bro, I'm telling you something. No, I never start this blood clot in a wonderful clot. No. I mean, I Swiss start it. So I don't know everybody can go and like say, I feed them ground. You know a followers. You know a blood clot followers. As Jamaicans, what we know about, and me a Swissly start blood clot series for ya. And about a Britain a world dog. Cause them the time them never did even know a Brit. And me and Swissly start series. When me and Swiss then get close and get close with World Dog, everybody come spam me live. Say, Ivany, go live with Brit, go live with Brit. Them the time that me and Swissly series that they already. And I say, who name Brit? Why not just want me go live with this girl named Brit? And them I say, no man, you and her head all click. And when I go up on Brit live, Brit didn't know me, I not even didn't know Brit, and me and Brit turn friend. Remember, World Dog did want to start series with me too. When time me and Swiss do series, and them I say, you want the series with Swiss, and World Dog and Swiss are father and brother, you want to go the series with World Dog too. And then there comes Brit. And then it left now, when we go find Ice Father and thing now, and it happened that the series can't go on again, because me go blind in a love. It happened now that World Dog and Brit start series. And then I don't remember who come after that. Then when you look now, all sort of people start coming. Rosealee and Dre. When you look, 6 did come out at 1-6. One time all me and 6 did act like we don't start something. And then everybody just come up. You can't put Jaden and Fabi a real something of them they go on. Then Tessa and whoever and 6, yeah. One time K and 6 go on like them I did sister and besties and the thing them. At one point, Kavi and 6 did click I be a lion them used to send each other as bestie and the thing them. Swiss and Rebel go start off and now happily ever after. So I come talk when you see people come on the internet and want the series, you can't go like I want to invent series. A lot of people them make people then do what they want to do and enjoy themselves. And she go come cuss me later say a long time me and her mouth meet. But baby in a long time me and mouth go meet. You want me and mouth to meet because me and your friend is enemy. But I have something for you.
Okay, people, this is my honest opinion. I don't think Dyema too cares about Rosealee because she wasn't invited to the birthday and didn't get no cake. And we know said that Akeem was fake in the beginning and only to find those the relationship turned real like a couple of days ago. You know what I mean? So a bear baga and a sinting and I go over there, so you know. He said, and we know that Jaden, you know, deals with them in not so nice ways. You feel me? So that's probably why them rush wash. But as a big woman, Dyema should I never do that. You see what I said? Because she know Wasp is not problematic. Like Ivani, you see me, as she explained. But me just again them quick update in the night. I was going to go live, but I think I'm gonna go live on my TikTok, Kingmixup channel. Yeah, that one on TikTok. But anyway, people, now go along with this no longer. It's my bless.